Hi there, welcome to my Mortgage Pro Max. Are you self employed or have a fun traditional income? Struggling to qualify for a mortgage? Well, you are in luck. Today, we are diving into how you can qualify for a bank statement loan with some insider tips and tricks. Let's get started. First things first, what exactly is a bank statement loan? It's a type of mortgage that allows you to qualify based on your bank statements instead of traditional income documents like W-2s or tax returns. Perfect for freelancers, gig workers, and entrepreneurs. To qualify, lenders typically look at 12 to 24 months of your bank statements. They'll assess your deposit to determine your average monthly income. So make sure your statements are in order and reflect consistent income. Watch out for these common pitfalls. Avoid overdrafts and bounce checks as they can raise red flags. Also be transparent about any debts or financial obligations. Consider working with a mortgage broker who specializes in bank statement loans. They can guide you through the process and connect you with lenders who understand your unique financial situation. Nexa Mortgage has an extensive network of lenders who specialize in bank statement loans. This means more options, competitive rates, and flexible conditions tailored just for you. Whether you're looking for a primary residence, investment property, or a vacation home, we've got you covered. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me or leave a comment below. And there you have it. With these tips and tricks, you'll be well on your way to qualifying for a bank statement loan. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more mortgage insight. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy house hunting. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more mortgage tips. Have questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy house hunting.